Alright, welcome back guys to another video where Sugar pretends like she knows what she's doing, right?
You're a hater.
Sugar, what you doing today?
In the Himalayas.
Sugar, what you doing today? It's nonsense.
Oh, that made me so weak. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I came up with the idea because I saw that it was really popular and I thought it was really interesting. And for those who do not know, I bleached and I dyed my hair. I bleached and I rinsed my hair right before I turned it black for the wedding, so I guess I was feeling maybe a little bit of color withdrawal. So I came up with this cool video today. I'm just like, let's do like a transformation video and like a whole First it was gonna be just hair, but then I was like, let's just make it like into like a fun, nice little video. So I went to Hair Paint Wax LLC and I got a splash of color. Can you see? Mm-hmm. Okay, and the color is silver. We're gonna do like a young to old gray hair transformation video, so I think it'll be really fun and I hope you guys like it. So the first step,
I hate this damn seat, I'm just saying.
Anyways, the first step is you have to make sure your hair is damp. So we took a shower earlier, but his hair is really short, so it dried a little fast. So.
Sugar, what the hell, baby? You in this nonsense, man. Ah! Oh, Sugar knows what she's doing. I'm hoping Sugar knows what she's doing.
He thought I didn't know what I was doing for the haircut video.
You did not. She didn't know what you was doing with the haircut.
So, I don't think you should be
Just don't make me look crazy, please, baby. Every week, Sugar trying something different on me.
You don't like it?
I mean, I guess, because remember we were having that conversation how you got to find out what you like doing and stuff like that. But I don't mean that I want you experimenting and doing stuff on me, on my body.
Why?
My body won't be able to keep up with all this nonsense. It's going to break down.
It's hair paint. Temporary hair
Everything
paint.
adds up. Look at this.
You know, I always said Ray would look so handsome. Every time we shower together, he gets shampoo in his hair and it makes his hair like a silvery white. I always say Ray would look so good when he gets old and he has silver in his gray hair.
She wishing gray hair on me. And I'm this young.
Yep, faded in. And now I'm just gonna do your eyebrows and his mustache. Hey, Grandpa swimming. Ah, Grandpa.
You tell me she's swimming? Alright. So as you guys can see, my head, Sugar dealt with my head already. So now it's time for hers. Sugar has a whole lot of hair, so you know, both of us is gonna have to do this.
I feel like this is really cool though, like if you want to just switch up your hairstyle or your color and you don't have to make like damage your hair or like make a permanent decision like bleaching or dyeing it. That's cool. You're not doing it properly.
I don't even understand what it is.
Scrunch it. Scrunch it. Oh no, my hair feels heavy and sticky.
She already look like an older one. Alright, Sugar says she's gonna do the makeup part next. So what is this? What does this do?
It's concealer.
So what does this do?
That make it look bolder. Boy.
I want to support your dreams in case you ever want to become a makeup artist or anything, but I don't know. I don't really feel comfortable with this on my face.
I know.
It feels weird.
I know. But you just gotta bear through it for a little. Lift up your eye like that.
My what? My bottom eyelid can't go up, baby.
Yes, you can. Like that. Just like that.
Baby, it's literally like thumping my eyeball.
Baby.
You're like uppercutting my eyeball.
Relax. Turn. Do the same thing. Dang, I forgot you're so much lighter than me.
So y'all do this every day?
Yeah, but like...
Y'all bored. I'm not doing that shit.
I mean, I would think no.
Oh, I would not be doing that shit. Y'all bugging out. Y'all get up every morning and do this nonsense. Thumping the shit out of your eyeball. Jesus Christ, I feel like my eyeball is about to pop out.
Now, scrunch your eyebrow. Scrunch your forehead.
Damn, woman, you gonna actually give me wrinkles if I keep messing up my face? Do you guys always keep a nice, firm face? Sugar told me once, oh, I always wanted an older man. So I see why she wanted to make me look older.
True. True. But not no like weird old, like crazy old. You know, someone who could buy my drinks. Turn. So yeah, and I got it. Someone that could buy my drinks. And cute. I love. Sometimes annoying.
Sometimes you don't?
I said who I love.
Sugar tell me that she loves me sometimes, not all the time. And I'm just like, wow.
Oh wow, this is really working. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I could tell.
I do feel kind of old.
Stop lying. Fix your face. No, fix it. Don't smile. Don't smile.
Damn, woman. Whiskers.
I think what I'm doing is pretty correct. But
Woman. You can keep my face like this?
yeah. Perfecto. You look old.
It's because I'm scrunching my face.
I know. Open up your eye.
Oh, that's mad dusty.
I'm happy Ray would let me do this though. There's a lot of guys that won't let you do this. Scrunch up your forehead. No, go like this. Scrunch it up. Yeah. Leave that on a few minutes.
I don't look old.
You don't think so? Close your eyes.
That brush has rubbed the shit out of my eyeball.
And he's all done.
Blows on scared young people. Somebody talking about get old now. Young people don't have no sense. Don't have nothing name sense. When the young got chumped in the office and I be a trouble him get. Okay, let's go. Am I doing your makeup?
No, you're not doing my makeup. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna be exaggerating some of my features. I don't think we never done a video like this, but I'm so excited. Maybe because it's what we're doing, and we never done it, and it's like fresh. I'm enjoying that fact quite a bit. Why are you laughing, ugly?
You don't need to put on more. You're already old.
Thank you so much, my darling husband. follow the leader, I feel like I look way older than you and you are way older than me, so come back down here right now.
Yeah, this takes a long time to age, baby. You can't rush this.
When I went to school, I never had a southern accent. But it seems like whenever you're old, you adopt one. Never give me a kiss. Up my hip bone, please. So this is it. I think we look really dark.
I look young.
I didn't add no powder.
My hair changed. I don't think much happened to my face.
I feel like mostly my face changed. I did a damn good job.
Look at your damn hair.
I think the glasses make me look even older than I usually do. I would without it.
I think that's it, guys.
Yeah, I think so too.
Back a little bit.
But Raymond. But Raymond.
Sugar bun. My darling.
I think I look really dark. But my face looks really good. And look at Ray, when you go close up, he looks really old.
Fake.
But yeah, tell us how y'all liked this video. If y'all liked the hair paint, if y'all would try it. Does it look cool?
Aye.
Do you like it on us? I'm feeling this gray. I might wear it for a few days.
I'm about to take this shit out of my head. Yes, my wave spinning. Aye.
Anyway, see you guys later. Tell us if you liked the transformation video. And see you guys Thursday for another episode of Night Talk. I'm really messing with this here though.
Like it?
I really like it.
Get this out of my head. I look like Frank Ocean.
Lord, that's not the song. That's not Frank Ocean. Farther away, you look like an old ass man. Baby, I'm too stylish to be old.
You're gonna age just like everybody else, woman.
I'm gonna age amazing. I'm gonna have hair down to my back, to my ass. And then a nice personality and a beautiful smile.
Aye. See you guys in the next video.